Maysky stainless steel. Welcome to our live. Today, I'm going to introduce some information about our company. Maysky stainless steel company is a manufacturer in Foshan, China. Mainly manufacture stainless steel welded tubes. Here, let me show you. Those are round tubes in different finish. Also in different material grade. Those are square and rectangular tubes. Later we will have more detailed show. Also here you can see we have slot tube, round, square and rectangular slot tube. And here are some fittings. Okay. Our company established in 2001 and we have more than 20 years experience. We have export more than 53 countries. Now let me show you more details about products. Okay, first about the material, we can do 201. We can do 201, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, 430, and also you can see the standard Europe material standard. Okay, somebody can you say it? And that is the tube standard. The main standard we manufacture is ASTM A554. It's for decoration such as hand drawing, and also 270. It's for sanitary and food. Also A312 is for industrial tube. If you have requests for other standard tubes, also welcome to inquiry. We will try to meet your requirements. Okay, then let me introduce the surface finish of the tube. First, it is the mirror finish. Also, some customers say it is raw material finish. Also, some said DOM, direct of mirror finish. And then it's the 13. About 13, we have different grades. About first one is 180. Also 240, and this one is the most popular in Europe, 320. It is the most popular finish in Europe, such as Netherlands, Holland, France, UK. And then is the mirror polish. It's the 600 grades divided by. And then is the mirror polish, mirror 800 grades. For 800 grades tubes, the cost is higher than 600, but also the surface is more bright. You can see the difference. For 800 grade, it's almost like the mirror. Can reflect the scenes totally. Okay, then the skirt tube. Okay, it's the 13 13 finish for square tube. Also have 100, 180, 240, also 320. And then is the polish 600 grades. And then is the mirror 800 grades. Can you see the difference? Okay, I see myself in the 800 mirror tubes here. Okay, all about is our mainly manufactured tubes, and it is the most tubes we export. Also, I'm going to introduce some other standard tubes. We can do some other craft, such as the pickling and the inside bead remove. Here you can see the samples here. If the tube is pickled, the surface will be a little white. For inside bead remove, you can see you cannot see the welded line inside. It is totally smooth. Also, we can do both inside bead remove and inside polish. Here is the sample you can have a look. It is very bright inside. The surface inside is the same with outside. Can you see it in the tubes? And then this one is for pickling and annealing. It is for 312 standard, most for industrial use. Okay, next is the slot tube. Here you can see the round slot tube. It is also 120 grades. And this one is square slot tube. It's 180 grades. Okay, these are the samples we prepared we are going to show you. Maybe you cannot see clearly in your mobile phone. No problem. You can contact us. We can send samples to you. If you need samples, welcome to contact us. We will prepare samples you need. Also, if you have other requests, also welcome to contact us. And then I'm going to introduce you some packing of our tubes. We have different kinds. Normally our packing is one tube packed into each polybag, and then several tubes packed into big bundle. For the playback, we have white color. This is for most customers. Also, we have the red color. Most is for 316 grade. 316 grade. Red color. Also, we have green color. You can choose the color you want. Also, if you don't like those colors and you want other colors, you can contact us. If your quantity is big enough, we can customize the bag color for you. And then this is our bundle package. It is in such shop will be better for you to stock. And here you can see our bundle material. Here you can see it is very stable. Green color. Okay, then I'm going to show you about our material grade. As mentioned, we can do 304. For 304, this is our meal test certificate. You can see the nickel is, for this one is 8.07. Also for the trimming is 18.04. It is all the chemical elements is with standard. And here, this one you can see the 201 for 201. You also can see the nickel, the trimming. Can you see it? If you cannot see, you can contact us and we can send it to your email. Welcome to contact us. Okay, then I'm going to show TV1304 tube. This is magnets. Maybe we can show. Okay, magnets. Okay, you can see it cannot put here the magnet. Okay, take another one. Let me see how to know. Okay. Yeah, this is the 304 tube. Also, this is the tube magnet. Okay, for tube surface, we can do different, such as 13. Some customers say 13, although some customers say brush. In grade 180, here you can see this one 180 grades. Round tube 180 grades. Also, we can do 240. For 240, it's mostly for German customers, and but most Europe customers they like 320 grades. 320 grades. Yeah, this one. 320 grades. You can see the 13. About the surface, it's very smooth with some 13. You can you see the difference? 180 and 320 grades. Can you see the difference? If you cannot see, no problem, contact us. We can send sample to you. Okay, the next one will show you 600 grades. 600 grades. 600 grades is a mirror, but also say mirror, but not bright as mirror. Okay, take another mirror. We can make a comparison. The short one is 800 grades and the longer one is 600 grades. Maybe you can see the difference. For 600 grades is not bright as 800 grades, but the cost for 800 grades is higher. Okay, then we think we can show you skirt tube. Skirt tube, this one is 180 grades. Also we have 240, and we can show you another one, another skirt tube. It's the 600 grades. 600 grades. Okay, next one mirror. Mirror 800. Totally, it's just like the mirror. You can compare the two together. So, for 600 grades, the surface is not bright as 800 grades. You can contact us. We can send a sample to you. Maybe we can test the thickness for you, so you can see our tolerance. Okay, this one, the red ball is 1.2. 1.2 thickness. Okay, this is our tool. Let me open it. Okay, let me adjust the tool through. A moment. Okay, here the tool 0. Okay, let me start. Okay, can you see? Here, I think this will be better. 1.1. This is our real thickness for this tube. 1.1 for 1.2. Okay, maybe we can try another one. Okay, this one is also 1.2. Let me try. Okay, here it's okay. Here you can see 1.08, 1.0. Oh, sorry. 1.09 for 1.2. Okay, maybe we can try other. What's the thickness here? Maybe you can look for a 2 thickness. What's this one? Okay, this one is 1.5. 1.5. Let me test what's the real thickness. Okay, here it's okay. Let me show you. 1.4. The real thickness 1.4 for 1.5. Okay, try next one. Maybe you can take a 2 millimeter. This is also 1.5. Okay. 1.5. Let me try this one. 1.5. Oh, this one. Here you can see it's okay. 1.5, 1.51, 1.51. The real thickness for 1.5. And this one, okay, let me show you. Okay, this one is a little heavy. Here you can see the real thickness 2.34. This one is for 2.5. For 2.5, the real thickness is 2.34. 2.34 real thickness. Anybody want to see more test? Okay, this one is for pickling and the insert bit remove. Let's also try one. Okay, this one, let me try. Okay, this one is the 2 millimeter, but the real thickness is 1.88. 1.88 real thickness for 2 millimeter tube. Okay, here you can see it clearly. Okay, we have tested many samples. If you want, you can contact us. Okay, you can contact us. This is our detailed contact. You can see. You can contact us. We can send samples to you. Welcome to ask for samples. Currently, for sample, we have 42.4 by 2 millimeter in 320 grades. The most popular size in Europe is 42.4 by 2 millimeter in 320 grades. That's one round tube. Yeah. This one is the most popular in Europe. It is we cut from our production line. The sample is totally the same with our finished tubes. It means that will be the same with the tubes when you receive our tubes. Here you can see 320, 42.4 by 2 millimeter, 304. Our company mainly export to Europe, also South America. In the past years, our company have attended many exhibitions, such as the Düsseldorf Tube exhibition. Also, in November 2021, this year November, we will have the stainless steel world exhibition in Netherlands. Somebody know this exhibition, stainless steel world exhibition? We will attend this one. Somebody will come. Welcome to visit our booth. We season help could have chance to communicate with you all face by face. Welcome to visit our stainless steel world exhibition. For the booth information, you you can contact us. You can contact ourselves to know the detailed booth number and the detailed time. Also, you can contact us for the detailed time to visit our booth. For South America, we once attended the ESCOM exhibition in Peru. Somebody go to ESCOM exhibition in Peru. Due to the appendix, I think it's not easy to go out now. So somebody want to know more about our company, welcome to contact us. This is our contact information. Welcome to contact us. Okay, somebody have other question? Okay. This will be all our information today. If you have more questions, welcome to contact ourselves. You can send email. Also contact us by WhatsApp, WeChat. Also welcome to call us. This is our information or information. If you today we introduce the products in our sample room. Next week we also have the factory live. For the detailed time we will publish it in the Instagram. Welcome to continue to follow us in Instagram to know more about Maysky. Thank you.